Did you know that more than 40% of adults struggle with sleep problems at least once a week? And here's the shocking part, most of them don't realize that a simple cup of tea, made with ingredients you probably already have at home, can calm your anxiety and prepare your body for deep, restorative sleep. But before I show you the recipe, here's something important. Many people also use a natural nighttime solution that accelerates relaxation and helps them fall asleep even faster. The link to this trusted option is in the description and in the pinned comment. Welcome to Natural Health Secrets, where we reveal remedies and wellness habits that truly work. If you want more natural solutions for your health, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Now, let's get started. If you've ever laid in bed staring at the ceiling, with your mind racing, you know how frustrating it can be. Anxiety at night makes your body tense, your heart beat faster, and your thoughts run wild. Over time, poor sleep leads to irritability, weight gain, memory problems, and even a weakened immune system. And while sleeping pills may knock you out, they don't provide the natural, restorative rest your body craves. That's why more and more people are turning back to ancient remedies that work in harmony with the body instead of forcing it. The recipe I'm about to share has been used for generations to calm the nervous system and improve sleep. It combines two powerful ingredients, chamomile and lavender. Chamomile reduces stress by interacting with the same brain receptors targeted by some anti-anxiety medications, but without the side effects. Lavender works as a natural relaxant, slowing down the nervous system and preparing the body for rest. To prepare this tea, boil 1 cup of water, add 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers, and half a teaspoon of dried lavender. Let it steep for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy it warm before bed. And here's a tip. While this tea is powerful, some people also combine it with a natural supplement to boost the effect and fall asleep even quicker. You'll find the link for it in the description and pinned comment. Science is catching up with what traditional medicine has known for centuries. A study published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing showed that chamomile tea significantly improved sleep quality and reduced symptoms of depression in postpartum women. Another study found that inhaling lavender oil before bedtime improved sleep quality in 60% of participants. These aren't just old wives' tales, they are natural remedies backed by research. Even in cultures like ancient Egypt and Greece, these herbs were considered sacred because of their calming properties. Imagine blending both into a warm tea before bed. It's like giving your body permission to shut down the stress and enter a state of peace. Picture this. Instead of tossing and turning, you finish your day with a calming ritual, sipping a fragrant cup of chamomile and lavender tea. Within minutes, your muscles relax, your breathing slows, and your mind gently drifts toward rest. Over time, this simple habit can improve your mood, restore your energy, and even balance your hormones by supporting deeper sleep cycles. That's the power of nature working with you, not against you. And if you're ready to take your sleep and anxiety relief to the next level, the trusted natural solution is linked in the description and in the pinned comment. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Natural Health Secrets and join our community of people transforming their health naturally. And remember, the official link is waiting for you in the description and in the pinned comment. Check it out tonight and experience how much easier falling asleep can be when you give your body the right natural support. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.